thing that's been catching my attention is just how differently Hype has been moving compared to everything else. Like, the broader market is basically in a slow bleed right now. Most tokens are just quietly losing value week after week. But Hyperliquid has been doing the opposite, consistently climbing while the rest of the market is struggling. And when something behaves that way during a rough cycle, it usually means there's real activity driving it, not just hype. That's what pulled me toward looking at the staking side of this more seriously. I've spent years putting platforms like this through their paces, and I've got a pretty clear framework at this point for separating what's well-built from what just looks good on paper. So today I want to get into exactly how staking Hype works. And before I say a single word about whether something is good or not, I always go hands-on first, because there's a real difference between how a project presents itself and how it actually behaves when you sit down and use it. All right, so first up, logging in. Press connect, a few sign-in options here, going with mine as usual.
We're in. Right, so up at the top, account status. That figure is the combined total of Hype currently earned through staking so far. Right below that, APY and daily yield both sitting right there on the main screen. And then further down the page, there's a detailed history of the staking performance going all the way back to when the account was opened. I'm gonna loop back to that, but first, let's just keep moving through the core stuff. All right, so rewards tab. This is a day-by-day breakdown of incoming tokens. Can see each daily accrual going back about a few weeks. Clean, nothing complicated. Okay, so to get a staking position started, coming into this panel, here I enter the amount I want to stake and press stake. Okay, that went through, just giving the network a couple of seconds to wrap everything up and tokens will be on my wallet. Okay, this account has been running long enough that there's already a pretty solid stack of rewards sitting in here, and I want to show what pulling those out looks like because that's usually where real questions are. So here I switch to unstake, put the amount I want to get, and press unstake. Okay, that went through, just giving the network a couple of seconds to wrap everything up and tokens will be on my wallet.
So while we wait, Hyperliquid is a completely self-contained blockchain, and that's not just a technical detail, it's the reason the whole thing works differently. Most DeFi protocols are essentially tenants on someone else's chain, Ethereum, Solana, whatever, which means whenever that underlying network runs into trouble, the protocol running on top of it runs into the same trouble. Traffic spikes, fees climb, transactions queue up. Hyperliquid built its own house entirely, means the network processes transactions in under a second. Transactions don't get backed up waiting for confirmation, they just land. Now, when Hype tokens get staked, those are delegated to validators. Validators are the nodes that physically run the network and process all on-chain activity. Stakers get back a cut of the fees that trading generates on the platform. And Hyperliquid is a high-volume trading environment, so that cut is genuinely meaningful. And one more thing that's actually pretty important, this is non-custodial staking. Tokens stay right in the wallet the entire time. Nothing gets transferred out. And that's a fundamentally different security posture from platforms where you have to hand over control of your tokens before anything starts. Thanks for watching.